Hello, welcome to Noodle Talk. Today we are going to talk about Chinese food, starting with one related to the name of our channel, noodles. Noodles, a common food in China, are made from wheat. After the wheat is hugged, it is ground into flour. The flour is added with water to make a dough, and then it is rolled, stretched, or cut into various noodles. Let's take a look at some related Chinese characters first. In ancient times, the character mai was shaped like wheat. The lower part was like a root growing in the ground, and the upper part was similar to the shape of a wheat ear. In the Qing dynasty, the shape of the font has evolved into the current traditional Chinese character. Simplified characters have been simplified in the upper part of the font and become three horizontal lines, and the lower part has not changed much. The last stroke of two characters, one is dian and the other is na. Character xiao is very simple. It means small. It has an antonym, da. It means big. The combination of xiao and mai is the word xiao mai, which means wheat. Xiao mai. Xiao mai. Mai also forms words with other characters. For example, yan mai means oat. Da mai means barley. In China, the character mai means wheat in most cases, because xiao mai is the most eaten type, and the other types are eaten relatively little. Flour ground from wheat can be made into various foods, such as the noodles just mentioned, as well as dumplings, steamed buns, and so on. Let's look at the character mian. Mian, the earliest character, is the Chinese character mu with a frame outside. We know that mu means eyes. Added a frame to the outside to represent the face. Maybe the ancients thought the eyes were the most attractive part, so only the eyes were drawn on the face. Now, this character has not only the meaning of face, but also the appearance and plane of things, and so on. In addition, this character also means flour in modern times. There is a mai on the left side of the traditional writing, indicating that it is related to wheat, and the mian on the right represents its pronunciation. It and tiao from the word mian tiao, which means noodles. Mian tiao. Mian tiao. There are a lot of kinds of noodles in China. We just give two examples. There is a very famous noodle in Beijing called 炸酱面. In this word, The character 条 is omitted. The word 面条 is an umbrella term. When specifically talking about a certain type of noodles, usually only 面 is added after. For example, 炸酱面 is generally not called 炸酱面条. The character 面 here means 面条. 炸酱面 boiled noodles served with special paste. The way of making this paste varies from family to family, but most of them are diced meat and soybeans paste, fired with scallions, ginger, and garlic. In addition, some side dishes, such as soybeans, cucumber sticks, carrot sticks, and bean sprouts, are also placed in a bowl. When placed in a bowl, the color is beautiful and nutrient-rich. Eat them by mixing them well, and each noodle will be covered in paste. It has both the fragrance of the paste and the crispiness of the side dishes in the mouth, and the taste is very rich. Chinese noodles are mostly eaten in bowls. Chinese character 碗, the left part is 十, so maybe the balls had been made of stone in ancient times. The right part pronunciation is 碗, same pronunciation. The character 碗 is also a quantifier. This quantifier can generally be used for food that can be served in a bowl. For example, a bowl of noodles can be said to be 一碗面条 or 一碗面. If you are ordering at a restaurant, just tell the waiter, 我要一碗炸酱面. Means, I need a bowl of 炸酱面. If this restaurant only sells 炸酱面, you can simply say, 我要一碗面. Means, I need a bowl of noodles. The waiter will understand. There is no soup in a 炸酱面, but there are also many noodles with soup, such as 拉面. 拉面 is especially famous in the northwest region of China. It is made by hand stretching the dough into noodles. Because the number of stretches is different, it will have a lot of wetness changes. There are several sizes from flat to cylindrical. In Lanzhou, Gansu province, after the ramen is cooked, the beef broth is added. Put some beef slices and radish slices. Sprinkle with chopped green onion and green garlic. If you like to eat chili, you can add chili oil to make the color even more beautiful. This kind of noodles added to the broth, and the noodles will absorb the deliciousness of the broth for a long time. If you want to tougher noodles, you can ask for whiter noodles. If you like soaking broth and prefer softer noodles, you can choose thinner noodles. You can tell the waiter, 我要一碗拉面 means I need a bowl of 拉面. Now, in general, there will be the difference between large bowls and small bowls, 大碗 and 小碗. You can choose according to your own needs when ordering. Today, we only talk about two of Chinese noodles. There are many more types, and we will introduce them one by one later. If the Chinese character appearing in today's video are highlighted, you can remember them. Others are to assist understanding and will be mentioned in the video later, so you don't need to memorize them. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.